Are you looking for the best water heaters? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best water heaters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bosch Electric Mini Tank Water Heater. The Bosch Electric Mini Tank Water Heater Tronic 3000 T 4-gallon, ES4, is a convenient and efficient solution to provide hot water where you need it. With a thermal efficiency of 98%, it has a fast recovery rate that eliminates long waits for hot water at your sink. The electric water heater has premium glass-lined material for a long service life and can be easily mounted on the shelf, wall, or floor. It supplies up to 2 sinks at a time and has independent installation, which means it can be plugged into a 120-volt outlet or in line with a large hot water source. What we like: quick hot water delivery, energy-efficient performance, compact size, easy installation, high water temperature. What we don't like: requires annual maintenance, may need anode replacement. Number 2. EcoSmart ECO11 Electric Tankless Water Heater. The EcoSmart ECO11 Electric Tankless Water Heater provides endless on-demand hot water, saves space, and saves energy. Its compact size allows it to be installed on the wall or at the point of use, and it is 90% smaller than traditional tank heaters. The tankless electric water heater is 99% thermal energy efficient, and only heats water when called, unlike tank heaters that maintain water temperature. It is ideal for low-flow applications like a bathroom or small sink, providing between 1.3 and 3.1 gallons per minute depending on the inlet water temperature. What we like: endless hot water, easy installation, cost-effective, space-saving design, high-quality construction. What we don't like: warranty void without licensed electrician, lacking clear wiring documentation. Number 3. Rinnai RX199 and Tankless Water Heater. The Rinnai Tankless Water Heater is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it versatile for any home. You can enjoy continuous hot water with its compact design, providing up to 11.1 gallons per minute, enough for 7 fixtures simultaneously. Its user-friendly interface and quick flush features simplify maintenance, ensuring you have efficient hot water on demand. Additionally, the high energy efficiency rating means you can save on energy costs while enjoying reliable performance. For optimal installation, it is recommended to seek professional help, ensuring everything runs smoothly. What we like: endless hot water supply, space-saving design, easy installation, energy efficient, quick heating. What we don't like: requires additional components, some noise during operation. Number 4. Stiebel Eltron Tempra 24 Plus Tankless Water Heater. The Stiebel Eltron Tempra 24 Plus Tankless Water Heater is a great solution for anyone who wants endless hot water without sacrificing space. With its patented advanced flow control technology, it can automatically maintain water temperature for constant comfort, and will reduce flow slightly if hot water demand exceeds capacity. Its small, sleek design saves space and is eco-friendly, with the ability to save energy and electronically control water flow. The unit is easy to operate and noise-free while in use, with a digital temperature display and preset temperature and memory buttons. It's also backed by 7-year leakage and 3-year parts warranties. What we like: unlimited hot water supply, space-saving design, accurate temperature control, quiet operation, eco-friendly energy use. What we don't like: requires professional installation, possible water impurities issues. Number 5. Camplux Tankless Water Heater, Portable Propane Outdoor Camping Water Heater. The Camplux Tankless Water Heater is a portable and lightweight design that is perfect for outdoor camping. It has a flow rate of 1.32 GPM, with a temperature raise of up to 114.8 degrees Fahrenheit, 46 degrees Celsius. It is versatile and ideal for off-grid and rural areas. This tankless water heater is CSA approved with 6-in-1 protection, and it comes with a 1-year guarantee, 5 feet premium on-off shower head, 5 feet gas regulator, 1 set US standard garden hose, and 1 installation hardware pack. Setting it up takes just 10 minutes. It is important to avoid gas leakage by following the installation instructions and checking for gas leaks before operating. Proper maintenance is necessary to avoid freeze damage. What we like: hot water on demand, easy setup and installation, compact and portable design, good customer service experience. What we don't like: minor issues with durability, potential for scalding hot water,